Yes. At the hands-on history display at the IMVG show at Naas in Kildare in Ireland. And this
That's an Irish soldier from the 18th century.
is the hands-on history display.
A lot of
Irish soldiers in international service.
Irish men went and fought during the wars, First World War, Second World War, and much earlier too as well.
The display covers Irish soldiers in service with the French, the United States and the UK and Commonwealth Armed Forces. Here we have an exhibit exhibiting the 6th and 9th New York Infantry, and continuation of that, the 6th and 9th New York Infantry again on campaign with the American Expeditionary Force in France in 1917. See the rainbow patch. That doesn't signify anything other than the 42nd Rainbow Division. World War II US paratrooper, and again jungle fatigues. Many first and second generation Irish served in Vietnam with American forces and with Australian forces as well. And we move on to this exhibit, which is the Royal Dublin Fusiliers. Formed in the late 19th century, once all the East India regiments were all amalgamated into the standard British Army. And again, the Royal Dublin Fusiliers on the Western Front. And here we've an example of the Irish Regiment of Canada in standard 37 battle dress in the deep green Canadian pattern battle dress, and then onto DPM, which covered all British Army, including many Irish regiments like the Irish Rangers and the Royal Irish Fusiliers and so on. All wore DPM, carrying the 58 webbing and the SLR rifle.
What's this gun called? Gun gun, that's what it is, yeah. British, isn't it? That's what I was watching a program about this the other day. The Germans tried to copy it, didn't they? Or did they do something with it? Let's pick them up. Yeah. Good. See how heavy it is.
And members of the public enjoying the fine weather and the display presented by Hands on History.